My name is Carmen and I'm one of the educators at CuriOdyssey. Today, I'm going to share with you a quick tip for some sustainable gardening. Check out this method for starting seeds in repurposed and biodegradable materials. When the seeds sprout like this, you can just go ahead and give the whole eggshell a little crush. That way the roots have somewhere to go. Place the whole egg container into the soil and then pat it around. As the eggshell decomposes or breaks down, it'll add nutrients to the soil that the plant can use to grow. So what's the advantage of planting your seeds in an eggshell greenhouse? Well, an eggshell greenhouse is able to help both the plant and it also helps the planet. Refusing new materials helps conserve Earth's resources. Instead of buying a single-use plastic seed starter at the store, we're able to repurpose materials that are less likely to get recycled into something new. After this project, I would definitely recommend composting the egg carton and reusing this plastic as many times as possible. If you don't have food containers or eggs at home, well, just think like a scientist and imagine how you would repurpose something like this instead. Do try this at home for a chance to learn more about plants with the planet in mind. Shout out to all my educator friends out there who are adapting to online and distance learning. Here's one of my little hacks up here in my kitchen cupboard. I have my iPad, and this is a voice prompted teleprompter app. It's totally free. You can type in your text, and as you say it, it'll scroll along with you, and you can read what it says. Learned this from watching Jimmy Fallon. So if you haven't checked out what he's been doing with his show at home, you never know, you might pick up some fun educator tips like I did.